गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। तो हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे एंड आज हम आए हैं KTM पावर राइड पे। तो यहाँ हम हैं KTM वाकड़ेवाड़ी पुणे में एंड यहाँ राइड स्टार्ट होने वाली है अराउंड 9 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग। तो ये सब इतनी गाड़ियाँ हैं हमारे पास। Yes.
Okay, so first of all, we are gathered here for a ride. This is not a race, this is a group ride. So when you're riding in a group, we have responsibility of our own, as well as the person who's riding ahead, as well as the person who's coming from behind. So there are particular rules of particular group riding. So that particular thing I will share in few minutes only, not taking much of the time. I know you are excited to boom and go, but I will take few minutes only. First of all, how many of you are going frequently on a ride? Okay, so you guys are responsible to manage the group because you are very well aware what is an individual ride and what is a group ride. And those who are coming for the first time or not going very oftenly for a ride, so those guys follow the group route. So first of all, to identify a group, you always have a leader who leads the group. So Aditya is your lead rider today. So he is the first one who will be taking care. He will be leading all the group itself, and everyone will be riding behind him. So depending on a road condition, whether it is parallel line or single file, that depend on, and he will give particular hand signals also. Even if you don't understand the hand signal, follow traffic rules and pass on the signal from lead rider to the end rider. That is a basic thing. And if you are finding the person who is coming from behind is slightly slow, so you can also slow down your speed. Accordingly, the next rider will slow down, so the chain will be maintained of a group itself. So these are the basic rules for the group riding that we need to follow. And now you are ready to go. Gear up, warm up your bike and take it line. Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Godspeed, eh?
Yeah.
Flag नहीं हो गया? Do it because we have you. I'm not going to take up too much of your time.
we'll go into the banquet, unveil the new
390 adventure. 390 adventure.
Yeah, we get that. We get our 390 adventure. We also have one of very famous vlogger with us, Canada Lewis. She's around here. Of course, you have Sabke Chahite, Mr. Samir Khan. Where is he? He's already gone for breakfast.
Lol.
Okay, guys. So, shoot team, we're ready to move. Okay, guys, let's move.
Can we have a loud cheer? Louder! Music up!
कान की माटी आंखों में। अरे घाट पड़
This is KTM style.
वाले ही चला सकते हैं भाई 5.8
मैं जा रहा हूँ अभी
20 की बारी
पोस्ट
पैर पोस्टर है इसमें